Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we'll be going with the application from the triple Gandao section of the butterfly sword form, dealing with both a straight and round attack. But before we do that, I need you to go over and click the boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
The next section in the butterfly sword is the triple Gandao, followed by the triple cut. So we're going to deal with it in two applications. We're going to go round first, and then we're going to come straight. So from here, if you line up parallel or cross, it really doesn't matter. If you line up parallel, then the lead arm needs to sweep down just like in the form. If I line up cross, the same application works. So round comes in, I'm going to take a release step and face it again, blocking close to the hilt. As I step through, I'm going to use my tandao to open him, and here's my first cut. Come down, check, working your way up the body. Into the shoulder, come back, and then the lop to the throat. Release, double gan, tan and cut, jut and cut, lop and cut. One more. The release, the double gan, tan and cut, jut and cut, lop and cut. Now, if it's a straight thrust, here I'm going to take the release, move the blade offline, and now my tan is on the outside. Tan and cut, jut and cut, lop and cut. Again, release, double gan, tan and cut, jut and cut, lop and cut. One more. Double gan, tan, cut, jut, cut, lop, cut.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.